we've seen this before. It's the parent teaching the baby how to get the suet out of our suet feeder. One year, we saw the baby sitting on the banister, and the mama and the daddy were both there feeding him while he sat on the banister, very, very uncomfortably, because they don't sit well, those big feet. But this is the first time we've seen this, so this is great. Love our pileated guys.
He's coming back up.
Yeah, that. Very good, Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are, the two. There's the
Three.
mommy and the daddy and the baby.